Across U.S. military installations, thousands of aerospace ground equipment assets keep aircraft ready to fly. Generators, hydraulic test stands, gas turbine units, maintenance carts, nitrogen carts, lighting systems. Tracking them has always been a manual process. At Joint Base Pearl Harbor-Hickam, technicians were logging the location of hundreds of U.S. Air Force flight line assets on paper, up to 15 times a day. Equipment moved without notice. Entire shifts lost to walkthroughs. The Defense Innovation Unit recognized this gap. They evaluated 38 asset tracking solutions. 3 were selected to pilot. recovr won the contract. DIU's Cyber Project Manager, John Rogers, stated that, quote, commercial companies are actively utilizing advanced technologies for asset tracking, which the Department of Defense should leverage by adopting and integrating these existing, proven solutions to enhance their own asset tracking capabilities. Under a prototype other transaction agreement, recovr completed every required milestone, from site survey through hardware delivery, training, and full deployment. The result? Accurate, real-time location of critical DoD assets, indoors and outdoors. Based on that successful completion, the Department of Defense certified recovr for follow-on production. No further competition required. TRL-9, proven, fielded, ready to scale. In commercial transportation, fleet operators manage thousands of trailers and specialized equipment spread across dozens of terminals. Haulers carry ELD devices for compliance, but those are the first components targeted and removed during theft. One of North America's largest logistics companies deployed recovr smart operations across more than 40 business units, achieving real-time equipment visibility across every yard, terminal, and route without a single manual yard check. recovr Storm is a ruggedized, battery-powered asset tracking device built for the demands of real-world military operations. It carries an IP67 NEMA 6 protection rating, operates across a temperature range of -40 to +185 degrees Fahrenheit, and installs in under a minute with no tools required. Storm tracks location using GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and LTE cellular simultaneously. Precise positioning indoors and outdoors, on base and off, across 40 countries. In environments with limited connectivity, Storm's offline tracking capability maintains complete asset records until connectivity is restored. No additional hardware or third-party licenses required. Battery life runs up to 5 years. recovr directly addresses the TSM strategic focus area of streamlining business processes, replacing one of the DoD's most manual, repetitive logistics tasks with automated, real-time asset intelligence. Through the recovr Smart Operations platform, every tracked asset is visible in real time, indoors, outdoors, across multiple installations simultaneously. When equipment crosses a defined boundary, moves outside of business hours, or leaves a site entirely, the right people are notified within seconds. Consider the alternatives. ELD devices, the most common tracking solution in commercial fleets, are the first components removed during theft. GPS-only trackers lose signal the moment equipment moves inside a hangar or maintenance bay. Manual scanning still requires someone to physically be there. Storm eliminates all 3 limitations simultaneously. For government contractors, security is a baseline requirement. At the hardware level, Storm's built-in tamper sensor triggers an alert the moment the device is disturbed, and its near undetectable form factor eliminates one of the primary methods adversaries use to locate and defeat tracking systems.
Since 1960, the Kudelski Group has built technology commissioned for CIA field agents and the U.S. Army. In 2017, Kudelski launched its IoT division. recovr is the result. recovr operates on an all-inclusive single transaction model. Hardware, cellular connectivity, platform access, and 24/7 support are bundled into one purchase, with no subscription fees, no recurring charges, and no hidden costs of any kind. Service terms run 3 or 5 years, and every device carries a lifetime hardware warranty for the duration of that term. This is the same model whether you're a commercial fleet operator or a government buyer. Over 1,000 customers across North America are deployed on these terms today, proving both the commercial viability of the business and the simplicity of procurement. One purchase order, full capability, nothing else required. To learn more about recovr Storm or to connect with our team, visit recovr.biz or email info@recovr.biz. recovr, asset visibility for operations that can't afford to lose track.